Good morning, children. This is your English language period, and in this period, we are going to revise pronouns. What we are going to revise today? Pronouns. Basically, we are going to introduce ourselves to pronouns. Till now, children, we have done personal pronouns and reflexive pronouns. Now let's see what is possessive pronouns. Possessive means showing ownership on something, showing authority on something, that is, this is mine. Okay, so the personal pronouns tells us about ownership of the thing or person. They tell us that particular thing belongs to whom, whose thing is this. Yes, so the ownership information is given by possessive pronoun, children. So now let's see what are the possessive pronouns. What are the words that we use as possessive pronouns? So now see possessive pronouns forms. Now the first, its, we use for animals and non-living things. Yes. Second, his we use for boys. Yes, his we use for boys and his is used for he. Third person singular pronoun. We use his for third person singular pronoun, that is he. Is it clear, children? Now see the third one, mine. Mine we use for first person singular pronoun, that is I. Mine is used for I. Is it clear, children? Now see the next one, hers. Hers is used for again third person pronoun, that is her. Is it clear? Now see yours. Yours is used for second person pronoun, that is you. Is it clear? Now see the next, ours. Ours is again used for we. First person pronoun, plural form, we. Is it clear, children? Now the last is theirs. Theirs is used for they. Is it clear? They, and that is third person plural pronoun. Is it clear? So these are the different forms of possessive pronouns. Theirs, ours, yours, hers, mine, his, it. Children, notice one thing. We are not putting here apostrophe. We are not putting here apostrophe. Yes, we put apostrophe in nouns. When we show possessive ownership in nouns, then we use apostrophe s. But in possessive pronouns, we never use apostrophe s. This much is clear to you all? Now, what is next? There are few things you have to keep it in your mind, children. What is the first thing? That pronouns that show possession means a pronoun that shows ownership of the thing or person. Now see, points to be remembered. Yes, few points we should always remember for particular things. Yes. Now, first one is possessive pronouns generally come at the end of the sentence. Okay, children. Possessive pronouns generally come at the end of a sentence. Okay. And the second point that we have to remember is pronouns like her, your, their, we used as possessive adjective. So never get confused here. Is it clear, children? Now see here. Pronouns that can be used as possessive adjectives. His, her, their, my, yours. Not yours, sorry, your. Is it clear? So children, when we are using these pronouns as a possessive pronoun, then we are adding s, like his will be remain his, her will be hers in possessive pronoun, their will be theirs, my will be mine, your will be yours. Is it clear, children? So never get confused. I'll tell you how to differentiate with the examples. Okay, children. Now come to the next. Now, children, we will see how to differentiate between possessive adjectives and possessive pronouns. It's very simple. Only 2-3 points you have to keep it in your mind. Let's start with example. Okay, so first sentence, let's take, these are Vanya's red shoes. Let's see what is the second sentence. These red shoes are Vanya's. Vanya's. These are Vanya's red shoes and these red shoes are Vanya's. So children, both the sentence are having same meaning. Yes, both the sentence are giving same message, that the red shoes belongs to Vanya. Vanya is the owner of this red shoes. In both the sentence, it is giving clear message that these shoes belongs to Vanya. Now children, as we are doing pronoun, so let's replace this Vanya that is proper noun with pronoun. Let's replace. Now the sentence is, these are my red shoes. Suppose Vanya herself is telling that these are my red shoes. So here Vanya is replaced by my. Yes, and in the next sentence Vanya is telling, these red shoes are mine. These red shoes are mine. So here Vanya is replaced by mine. Now how to know? That is fine that you have read that my is adjective and mine is pronoun. That is fine, that my, we use my as a possessive adjective and mine is a possessive pronoun. But why it is so, children? Why it is so? So here, to make you clear, I'll ask simply one question. Suppose I ask question, whose red shoes are these? I'm asking, whose red shoes are these? So what I'm getting answer here? I'm getting here answer mine. I'm getting here answer in one word, mine. Okay, if I'm asking a question, whose red shoes are these? I'm getting answer in one word, that is mine. But now let's come to in first case. If I'm asking, whose red shoes are these? And I want answer in one word. Can you tell me? My. Is it complete answer? No. My is not complete answer. Mine is complete answer. Mine is complete answer. With mine, you don't need anything because mine itself is telling that these red shoes are mine. This is giving complete message, complete answer. But my in the first sentence is incomplete. We need something with this my to complete it. That what something is here? Red shoes. Here my is describing this red shoes, and without my, this red shoes is incomplete, and without red shoes, my is incomplete, children. Is it clear? And remember one more thing, that possessive adjective. Possessive adjective always falls before noun. It always falls before noun as it describes noun. But possessive pronouns generally, mostly, usually falls at the end of the sentence. Okay, because possessive pronoun itself tells that this thing, we never use noun with possessive pronoun. Let's take few more example, children. Let's take few more example. Now, see here. Her dress is white and my dress is pink. Now, children, see. Her dress. Again, first of all, we never use her in possessive pronoun. We use hers. And here what is they given? Her. So this is what? And after her what is coming? Dress. So this her is describing dress. This her is describing what, children? Dress. So this is possessive adjective. Is it clear, children? And same here. Same here. My. My is describing dress. My is describing dress, which is pink. Is it clear, children? Now see, if I'll change into possessive pronoun, what is going to be happen? Now see, when I change it, her dress is white and mine is pink. Now children, pay attention here. Here we have changed with my, and we are not using this noun dress. This noun that is dress with my. If we are using possessive pronoun, then after possessive pronoun there is no noun. But when we are using possessive adjective, then there is a rule. We must use noun after possessive adjective. Is it clear, children? Because in pronoun what we do? We replace noun. So my dress is replaced by mine. Is it clear, children? Now let's take one more example. My pen is better than your pen. My pen is better than your pen. So children, this is what? This is, let me use different color, child, here. So this is what, children? My pen is possessive adjective. Why? Because after my there is a pen. My is describing pen. Now we will change this your pen. Now we will change this your pen with possessive pronoun. That means we have to make it sure that there will be no noun. We are not going to use noun after possessive pronoun. So what sentence will come? Sentence will come, my pen is better than yours. We have replaced this pen also. Is it clear, children? Now, let's see what is the basic difference between possessive adjective and possessive pronouns. So first thing, children, possessive adjective always placed before a noun. Before noun, noun se pehle. Is it clear, children? And possessive pronouns generally come at the end of the sentence. Mostly possessive pronouns come at the end of the sentence. Is it clear, children? And possessive adjective describes noun. So it is very important that the possessive adjective should be placed before noun, with a noun. Is it clear, children? And in possessive pronoun, we replace noun. We never use noun with possessive pronouns. Is it clear, children? Now, let's take few more example of possessive pronoun. So children, here we can see few more examples of possessive pronouns. Now see, Rashid broke his bat. Rashid broke his bat. I gave him mine to play with. I gave him mine to play with. Here full stop will be there, children. Is it clear? Now pay attention here, children. Rashid broke his. His, if you will say his, you will be telling me, ma'am, this is possessive pronoun. No. Here it is acting like a possessive adjective. Why adjective? Because it is placed before bat. It is placed before bat. Is it clear, children? That is why this is possessive adjective. I give him mine. I give him mine. Here it is possessive pronoun, which is used for first person singular pronoun, that is I. That is I. Is it clear, children? To play with him. You can see there is no noun after that. Yes. Now let's see one more example. This book is yours. Now children, you can see this book is yours. After yours, there is no noun. So this is, and it is falling at the end of the sentence. It is falling at the end of the sentence. That is why this is possessive pronoun. And children, mind it. Here you will be telling it is not falling at the end of the sentence. Children, as I told you, mostly, generally. Here we can see there is no noun after mine. Is it clear, children? Now see the third example. We have many aunts, uncles and cousins. R is a big family. Now again, children, ours is a possessive pronoun. Why? Because after this there is no pronoun. Okay, this ours means hamari. Yes, so this is possessive pronoun. Now see the next example. The dog was playing with its tail. The dog was playing with its tail. The dog was playing with its tail, children. So we can see here, its tail is possessive pronoun. Now you must be telling, ma'am, after this there is a noun. But children, its is used for this dog. This its is used for its dog. Yes, and it is telling the ownership of the dog, not tail. It is telling the dog is owner of this tail. Is it clear, children? It is not telling the ownership of tail. It is telling ownership of the dog. Is it clear, children? That is why it is pronoun. Possessive pronoun, children. Now, next, see the last example. The smallest gift is hers. So children, again, hers is what? Possessive pronoun, as it is falling at the end of the sentence and it is ending with S. Is it clear, children? I am repeating again. Possessive adjective falls before noun as it describes noun. Is it clear? And it always describes noun and it falls before noun, children. And possessive adjective, the pronouns that we used for possessive adjective, we never use S with them. We use my, your, our, her, his, it. Is it clear, children? But when we use possessive pronouns, then we use mine, yours, ours, hers, its, his. Is it clear, children? And one more thing, mark it, we never use apostrophe S with possessive pronouns. Is it clear, children? I believe possessive pronouns are clear to you all. And if still you are having any doubt, do ask me. Thank you.